Yes, this is the first time.
Could you please share your impression to the visitors?
Okay. Before sharing my impression, I'd like to thank Peter Services for giving us the opportunity as Turkcell and Lifecell Ventures to join your conference in such a prestigious conference and such a very nice and excellent place. I haven't been before in St. Petersburg, and the venue here is really very impressive. So once again, thank you very much for that.
Was it useful for you to meet your colleagues from all over the world, from other IT companies, and discuss some pressing issues?
Yeah, it's a great opportunity actually to meet people from different integrators and big telecom operators and share views on this one and interact with them. So I believe, again, that was a great opportunity for us to meet each other, know other people, know what everyone is doing, how the telecom sector is improving. We had some excellent lectures this morning. I believe that this will continue today and tomorrow, in the afternoon today and then tomorrow morning. So once again, it was a great experience.
Okay. Some questions about digital transformation. What does Turkcell Group mean under digital transformation? How does it understand it?
Okay. Well, first of all, let's say how we lately define ourselves following the vision of our CEO, Mr. Kaan Terzioğlu. We now define ourselves as an OTT provider who happens to have a license and a strong telecom infrastructure. So that's our definition. We're not talking only about being a telecom operator anymore. We're talking about being an OTT provider with license, different licenses, but also very strong telecom infrastructure. That's our definition. Number two, what it is digital transformation. First of all, we talk about having digitized the whole ecosystem within which we exist. Then I believe we shall be a truly digital company. Turkcell, as I will present later on, is really working towards this direction, and I believe we are one of the first telcos that is digitizing in such a great speed. Now, following that, I can say that we have developed different categories of applications which help our customers, help our employees, and help everyone around us. I will be more specific. We have a product called BIP, which is a messaging platform, but even more, it is a marketplace for different players to go into that environment and deliver their services to our customers and to their customers as well. So BIP really is something very innovative and redefines the way our customers communicate with themselves, between themselves, with us, because over there we have our customer service. And also they do their business. For example, they can have transactions with their bank, they can buy their ticket from Turkish Airlines, or they can follow the weather, or they can read hundreds of magazines and newspapers which are within our application, which is called publishing, dergicilik in Turkish. So you see that BIP is really changing that communication environment. Then, if they take pictures using BIP and sending to their friends, all these pictures and videos, they can be uploaded to Lifebox, which is a cloud service. And even more, when they have some free time, they can use Fizi, our app for music, which, by the way, has beaten Spotify in Turkey, and we hope we shall be doing the same gradually all over the world, because Lifecell Ventures has been established to promote these digital services around the world. We have TV Plus, which also is growing very rapidly in Turkey. Now, the three types of services that I was saying one was communications, the other one is for the business environment, and in particular also for localization, like My Home, Smart Home, Smart Car, Smart Education. And then we have entertainment, as I mentioned, Fizi, TV Plus, Fizi for music, TV Plus for TV, We have Goals in My Pocket and different other entertainment functions. The result of all this was that we have today over 53 million subscribers to these services. For example, a service called My Account has almost 15 million of customers. Beep has over 13 million of customers. Fizzy has almost 10 million of customers, and so on and so forth. And you can understand that Turkcell manages to differentiate itself from the different competitors by adding these digital goodies, I will call them, to their main double play and triple play offering, which is something that our competitors cannot do. Based on this one, has managed within 1 year to increase significantly the customer base, to increase the ARPU, and to reduce the churn, which is something that we were not easily encountering in the past, because when we were increasing the ARPU, we usually were losing customers. But today, although the ARPU has increased, we see that our customers also increase. And that's a unique situation which we want to share with our friends from other telcos and to tell them that's the way to go.
Okay, thank you very much. The last question today concerning operators. If an operator wants to become a digital service provider, which way is it better for it to choose? To rely on its core business or to focus on what the competitors do, such as OTT companies, etc.?
Okay, if they will focus, I mean, they can do whatever they wish. Everyone will decide. But if they focus only on their conventional way of doing the business, I think they will end up just a pipe, a utility, like the water utility, for example, which is okay. If they wish, they can do that. Or they can become a niche player in their local market. However, if they want to continue to grow, they have to adapt to the new environment, which is digital. And therefore, as I said previously, they have to digitize all of their ecosystem, starting from BSS OSS and going into every interaction, whether that is a customer, whether that is an employee, whether that is a supplier, or anyone else. We had an excellent presentation this morning for IoTs. And again, their role should be not to provide just the IoT, but to find smart ways that the IoT will be automatically accessing a network, preferably your network, and you need to develop such apps which will make this possible. Therefore, you will minimize the manual intervention to whatever you're doing. So I think that is the main way to proceed towards a digitized future.